Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Walmart product inventory updates via API, full guide step by step clearly. To download Walmart product inventory updates via API, you need to follow these essential steps. First, create a Walmart developer account if you haven't already. Visit the Walmart developer portal and sign up. Once your account is created, log in to the developer portal. After logging in, navigate to the API section. Look for the Inventory API in the available options. Click on it to access its documentation and get an overview of its functionalities. You will need to generate your API keys. Locate the section for API keys within your account dashboard. Follow the provided instructions to create a new key set. Save your API keys in a secure location for future use. Next, set up your development environment. Install a programming language of your choice that supports API requests, such as Python or JavaScript. Make sure to include libraries that will help with HTTP requests, like requests for Python. Now, you need to construct your API request. Use the base API URL for the Walmart Inventory API. Append the necessary endpoint for product inventory updates. Include your API key in the request headers for authentication. If applicable, set any required parameters, such as product identifiers or inventory levels. Send your API request and check the response. Ensure you handle the response properly to check for errors. If successful, the response will include the product inventory data you need. You can then format this data as required for your application. Finally, store the retrieved inventory updates in your database or application. Regularly schedule your API requests to keep your inventory data up to date automatically. Following these steps will enable you to successfully download Walmart product inventory updates via the API. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.